Welcome to Bedtime Japanese. Tonight, let's travel to a quiet workshop in Wajima, where artisans craft beautiful lacquerware with endless patience. Our first word means artisan or craftsman.
職人職人
Let's hear it in a sentence.
職人が器を作ります。
Wajima lacquerware, or Wajima nuri, takes many months to complete. The wood is carefully shaped, and natural sap from the lacquer tree is painted on layer by layer. Our next word means wood or tree.
木
Let's hear it in a sentence.
木の香りがします。
Each layer of lacquer must dry slowly in a warm, humid room. Then, it is polished smooth before the next layer is applied. This word means to polish or shine.
磨く
Let's hear it in a sentence.
漆を磨きます。
Finally, the artisan may decorate the piece with gold dust or delicate carvings, creating a masterpiece that will last for generations. Our next word means beautiful.
美しい美しい
Let's hear it in a sentence.
美しい模様です。
The slow, quiet rhythm of the workshop reminds us that true beauty takes time, and patience yields the greatest rewards. Our final word means time.
時間
Let's hear it in a sentence.
時間がゆっくり流れます。
Just like the layers of lacquer, may your rest tonight build a strong and peaceful tomorrow. Sleep well and sweet dreams.
おやすみなさい。